Ever wondered how to make your garden a haven for wildlife such as birds and butterflies? By creating a wildlife-friendly habitat, you can enjoy the beauty of nature right at your doorstep. Stay tuned to discover how to attract these beautiful creatures to your garden. Creating a wildlife-friendly habitat starts with a good plan. Begin by identifying plants that lure your desired birds and butterflies. Remember, different species have varied preferences. Next, consider the size of your space. A small balcony or a sprawling garden, both can become a wildlife haven. Location is crucial too. Some creatures prefer sunny spots, others shade. Don't forget to include water sources. A bird bath or a shallow dish can work wonders. Once your plan is in place, you're ready for the next step. Now, it's time to put your plan into action. Start by preparing the soil, then plant your chosen flora. Remember, diversity is key, so mix it up with trees, shrubs, and flowers. Be mindful of your planting techniques. A good rule of thumb is to plant in clusters to imitate nature's patterns. Arrange your plants strategically for maximum wildlife attraction, considering factors like sunlight and wind. With your habitat set up, you're on your way to attracting wildlife to your garden. But remember, a wildlife-friendly habitat requires regular maintenance. It's not just about planting and building, but also nurturing and protecting. Water your plants regularly, prune them to stimulate growth, and always keep an eye out for pests that may harm your habitat. And as you maintain your garden, take joy in observing the wildlife it attracts. Watch as birds, butterflies, and other creatures find solace in your garden. With time and care, your garden will become a thriving wildlife habitat. Creating a wildlife-friendly habitat is not only rewarding but also contributes to the preservation of our environment. Remember, planning, planting, building, and maintaining your habitat brings nature closer. This enriches our lives and helps conserve biodiversity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.